All right, we're going to get on with assembling our alto saxophone. Okay, first thing you want to know is that there's a handle on the case, and the handle always needs to be on the bottom part of the case whenever you open it up. If it's not and it's flipped over, it's on the top. When you open it up, the instrument will fall out, and it actually could damage the metal and bend some keys. Okay, so handle on the bottom. Okay, we're going to open the case. And we're going to take out the body, okay, and I'm going to take out what we call the neck, okay. All right, now here's what I do with the body. I place it over my knee and across my body, okay. So if you're copying me, you want to have it like this, okay. Next thing I'm going to do is take the mouthpiece or the neck. I'm just going to put it right in this little hole right here, okay? And if it's tight, there's a little screw here you can unscrew, and it'll loosen up that joint so you can put it right in there, okay? And then once it's in there, tighten up the screw. Okay, just firm. You still want to be able to move this, okay? All right. Next thing we're going to grab is the mouthpiece. And I'm just going to take the black part of the mouthpiece right now, okay? No extra things. And I'm just going to, again, have it across my body. I'm going to put it on the cork. Now, here's something about the cork. When you put this on, you should be able to put this on about to about 1/4 of an inch from the end of the horn of the cork, okay. And if you have a new cork and it is very dry, it'll be very blonde in color, okay. And as you can see, this cork is a little bit dark. It has a decent amount of cork grease on it. There's a tube of cork grease. It looks like chapstick in your case. And if you have a very dry cork and it's very blonde in color and you can't put the mouthpiece on very far, let's say like that, you want to put a little bit of it on and rub it around, okay? And that'll soak into the cork. And you want to keep doing that day after day for probably about 2 weeks until it becomes this color, darker, and you can easily put on the mouthpiece till it's about 1/4 of an inch, even farther if you need to, okay, so we've got our mouthpiece on. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take out our reed. The reed is a piece of bamboo, and it is shaved flat on one side and two-toned on the other, shaved on the top and not shaved on the bottom. What we're going to do is we're going to match the flat side of the reed to the flat side of the mouthpiece. The flat side of the mouthpiece should face your body right here, and I'm going to put the reed right up there and hold it with my finger. Okay, so I've got the flat part of the reed matching the flat part of the mouthpiece. I'll turn it like this so you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm holding it with my thumb and first finger right here. I'm going to grab this metal ring. It's called ligature, and it has a set of screws on it. The screws need to face you or go right over the reed. So when you put it on, very gently, put it on like that. Okay? And the twirly knobs here that you tighten it have to be on the right hand side. So let's see that again. Okay? Taking the reed, flat part against flat part. Okay? With the shaved part up. Ligature with the screws facing you and the knobs on the right hand side. We're going to place that over. Okay. Now one thing you want to see is that the ligature is loosened up enough to go over this diagonal part and rest on this flat part here, okay? Okay. Now, once I have that in place, I like to kind of put a little pressure here on the bottom one, and I'm going to make the reed, you know, in the center. Here's not in the center, okay? That's a very bad, you can see there's a bunch of space here, okay? And you're going to put it in the center, and you want to have a little bit of black showing right above the top of the reed. Okay, just a hairline of black right above the reed. Okay. Okay. In the center, a little bit of black. Now, holding it down, I'm going to tighten the bottom screw. Just firm. Doesn't have to be super tight, but just firm. Okay. Tighten the top one again till it's firm. Okay. And that's how you put on your mouthpiece. Okay, let's get on to the saxophone strap. Be very careful with this. The straps are a bit confusing, and they have little places that they fold in and out, and little plastic parts. If they get twisted at all, you won't have a strap that works, and you won't be able to hold the saxophone in the right spot. So be very careful with these, okay? Don't do too much to them. Okay, first thing we're going to do is put it around our neck. You'll notice there's a little clip down here, okay? A little plastic part here that you can adjust up and down to raise and lower the saxophone. On the back of the saxophone, there's a ring, okay? And you put the clip right through the ring, okay? And it hangs like this on this side of your body, over your hip. And that's basically the assembly of the saxophone. Okay, when you feel comfortable putting it together, let's go on to the next section of where to put your fingers and how to hold it.